I'm going to show you how to remove the converter so you can get at the O2 sensor, the downstream and the upstream. I like to do it from the bottom. I don't think you could do it from the top without breaking something. I really don't think so. So my way is, I think, pretty easy. Is you're going to have, I think these are 14 millimeter nuts that are going to be connected over here. Okay, you're going to have a 14 millimeter bracket right here, the nut on that side. Just take it, you slide it out of the way. This is all moving, okay? Now you don't take this bracket off because it's probably gonna break. Take it off from the transmission. You're gonna go one right here and one on the other side. Those are E12, the inverted star, the female star, all right? And then you're gonna take off 14 millimeter. There's a clamp right here. It's a 14 millimeter clamp. There's a bolt here. It's a 14 millimeter. Take that off, and now the whole thing is loose and it's getting ready to come out. Now I just want to back up 1 minute. You're gonna have to take off the motor mount. The motor mount, there's E12s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one that sits on top of the mount, that's over here. All right, that's a 17 millimeter nut on the top. You have to have somewhere to support the engine a little bit so you can take that bracket out. Let me show you the bracket. It's very easy. Zoom it in. Okay, so basically it sits like this. Okay, you're gonna take that bolt 17 millimeter from the top, and then when you go on the bottom, you're gonna just take out those 4. Okay, and that's the E12. Take them out, you get that out of the way, and then the whole thing should come right out. Okay, and once you get it out, now you can take care of your, well, you can look, make sure your converter is not clogged. Replace your O2 sensors. This is the upstream, this is the downstream. Okay, like I said, the clamp, 14 millimeter clamp. All right, the bolts, 14 millimeter. Over here, the E12 that are connected to the transmission, and the 14 millimeter bolt that has this clamp right there, and then you snake it right back up and nice and neat. The only thing, like I said, you got to drop the mount, but you know, it's not that hard. And then you replace it and you just reverse the removal. All right, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, just let me know. I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.